Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing essentials. Enable a reliable VPN and choose a US location because Google Voice requires a US IP to register. Make sure your Google account is signed in and your Nigerian SIM is ready for SMS or call verification. You may need a second number for recovery. Once connected to the VPN, open the Google Voice sign-up page and select Get a Number. Proceed immediately to search available US area codes. This saves time and you now select a specific US area code and choose from available numbers. Pick one that looks local to your target contacts. Then link that selection to your Google account and provide a recovery phone. This can be your Nigerian number or a secondary VO IP number. When prompted, verify via SMS or an automated call. If SMS fails under the VPN, switch to call verification or briefly disable the VPN for verification only. Then re-enable it to maintain a US IP address. Finish by configuring call forwarding to your Nigerian SIM or to a VO IP app. Set voicemail and notification preferences so you don't miss calls. Test both incoming and outgoing calls and SMS while connected to the VPN. Confirm audio and message delivery. If the number is blocked or verification fails, try a different US VPN endpoint, clear cookies, or use a different Google account. Persistent issues often resolve by switching VPN servers or using a short-paid US virtual number for initial verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.